Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have here with me a Tab S7. It is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 11-inch. So in this video we will do a small quick unboxing and see what all things comes in the package. So the first thing that is just below the cover is the tablet itself, enclosed in a small thin cloth like package. I'll remove and keep aside that. Now the next thing to come out is the charger, which is around a 10-watt charger. They have not supplied with a 25-watt fast charger in this package. Next up is the charging cable, which is USB type A to type C charging cable. Then comes this small packet with the paperwork inside, and backside has a SIM ejector tool attached to this paper box. Then last you can see the Samsung S Pen, that the newer generation S Pen that comes with this Tab S7, which is similar to the S Pen that is present on the Note 20 series of phones. This is a very lightweight S Pen. It has a latency time of 9 milliseconds. This is the small tip of the S Pen, which is kind of a very small when compared to the Apple Pencil. Now let me just do a side-by-side comparison of the Apple Pencil with the Samsung S7 pen. The S Pen weighs around 9 grams, whereas the Apple Pencil weighs around 18 grams. The main reason behind this being that the Apple Pencil has an inbuilt battery, whereas the S Pen has a superconductor inside which stores charge for a shorter duration of time. Lengthwise also the S Pen is slightly smaller than the Pencil. Now coming to the tablet proper, this is the backside of the tablet with a Samsung branding and a thin glass strip present on the backside, which helps in the charging of the S Pen. When you look underneath, there is this pogo pins for the keyboard connector and small holes for the keyboard to attach magnetically. Then there is this camera arrangement at the back with a 13 megapixel primary wide camera and a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera and a flash. Now coming to the other side of this device, you can see there is this LTE version of the tablet. You will find a SIM card tray, and there is a microphone followed by two buttons, that is number one is the volume rocker and the power button with the fingerprint scanner combo. On front of the device you can see I have already applied a tempered glass, and you can see the front facing camera, selfie camera. So now let us just do a physical comparison of the iPad Pro 2018 version 11th inch tablet to this Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, which is its direct competitor by the way. Now as you can see, width wise the tablet of iPad or the iPad is slightly wider than the Tab S7, which is actually a narrower 16:9 ratio, whereas the iPad as usual is the 4:3 aspect ratio, hence slightly wider. Thickness wise, I think both are absolutely almost on same page, very similar in thickness. The Pencil connector charging port is placed on the lateral side or the side ports of the iPad, whereas it is present on the back side of the Tab S7. Now let us just compare the bezels of both the screens. You can see that the bezel on the Tab S7 as well as the iPad are almost similar. To the naked eyes this look absolutely same, whereas on closer look I feel the Tab S7 is slightly narrower than the iPad. So this was a very small overview of my new Tab S7, and I'll be putting up a lot more videos in comparison to the iPad Pro. So stay tuned guys for more comparisons on the Tab S7 and the iPad Pro. I'll be putting out a lot more videos in future. So thank you guys. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.